Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk through how to download and install the Messenger app on your iPhone. First thing you'll need to do is open up the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in Messenger. Messenger should be the top result. It'll look like, describe the Messenger icon. Tap on that. You can scroll down to see more info about the app if you want, but to download it, scroll back up to the top and tap the Get button. Now, mine shows a cloud icon because I've downloaded it before. Once it's downloaded, tap Open, and it'll immediately open the Messenger app. You'll probably see the login screen. Because I've logged in before, it's showing my profile. You might see a different screen if you haven't logged in before. Just follow the on-screen instructions to log in. And there you have it. Once you're logged in, you can start using Messenger just like normal. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. All relevant links can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching.